everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. They are sour liquid candies. My kids love these. I've actually never tried this brand, but they've tried other brands and they absolutely love them. I'm gonna go ahead and open up this outer package on them. So it does have 3 different flavors. As you can see, it looks like, let me see if it says the flavors. So it has a green one, which is apple flavored. It has a blue one, which is blueberry flavor. And then they have this one, the pink one, which is strawberry. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up one of these. So I do want to try this one. So it says it has 25 carbs, which is 9%, and 10 grams of sugar, which is added sugar. So that's pretty much the majority of it. Let's see what it tastes like. So these like have a liquid and you lick this ball. It's actually really good tasting. So that's really actually good. I don't really eat candy, but my kids do. So let me go ahead and call them in there. I'm going to see which ones they want. So I got 4 kids. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They'll all get 3 apiece.
What are they?
Those things that you lick, the balls. Do you want blue raspberry, strawberry, or green apple?
I want blue.
Blue. You want to eat that one? I just took 1 lick of it. Which one do you want? Red, pink. Let's go ahead and get the boys theirs. Pick one out. You got blue. Okay, pick one out.
It's really good.
You want green? Scarlett, can you help him? Oh, there he goes. Okay, you're just grossing me out. Stop. Dude, gross. Scarlett, can you help him open that?
You're supposed to taste.
How's it taste?
Good.
It's good? You like them? Are they better than the ones at the store? They are?
Better.
They're less soured, huh? I would say these are more mild than the ones that they sell here in America. So what would you guys rate them?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
10 out of second favorite candy.
10 out of 2?
100. 10 out of 10.
100. Okay. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.